I'm sorry, embattled attorney Isaac Buchanan apologizes for disrespectful statements towards Director of Public Prosecutions. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Kalisha Williams. Also in the news, Emancipation Day train excursion, a big hit, but persons left disappointed. And in our special Heat in Focus, is there adequate protection for people doing business with some government entities? Before the break, though, the feedback question. And this evening we're asking, the Jamaica Railway Corporation, JRC, had a special train ride for Emancipation Day. What are your thoughts on this move? Now you can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center. Please stay with us. The news in detail right after this break.